Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt tart. To begin, choose a high-quality, plain yogurt as your foundation. The natural acidity of a good unsweetened yogurt is key to achieving that desired tartness. Avoid flavored or sweetened varieties, as they will mask the authentic tang. This initial choice truly sets the stage for a delicious and refreshing dessert. For an extra layer of tartness, incorporate fresh lemon or lime juice into your filling. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons can make a significant difference. You might also consider adding a touch of cream cheese or sour cream. These ingredients contribute a lovely tang and a creamy texture. Remember, a little sugar is fine to balance the flavors, but don't overdo it. To ensure your yogurt tart sets beautifully and maintains its tart integrity, chilling is crucial. Allow it to firm up in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. A pre-baked crust is also essential to avoid a soggy base, ensuring a crisp contrast to the creamy filling. Garnish with fresh fruit or citrus zest for a vibrant finish. When baking your yogurt tart, aim for a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. The tart is ready when the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Overbaking can lead to a dry texture, so watch it carefully. Always serve your yogurt tart well chilled to fully appreciate its refreshing and tangy qualities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.